Howdy hackers, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. I'm here in my temporary garage space. I'm moving. If you haven't heard from me in the last 4 months, it's because we're moving. I'm building a bigger shop. I was able to downsize my home and I'm building a 3-car garage. So that's exciting. So anyways, I have this Atomstack 33 watt laser and I'm in 5 minutes, which is already started. I am going to be going through 12 points that I thought were significant for it. First of all, I absolutely love it. But let me get started by looking for my coffee. Oh gosh, you have it? I'm not actually drinking coffee. That was all because I wanted to hit Chucky. I got Chucky on clearance at Lowe's. So anyways, 12 points. First of all, let's talk about the actual packing. It was unbelievably tightly in foam. All the accessories that you can buy add-on, like this camera that works inside Lightburn, which is the software that I'm using. Lightburn is separate, not included with Atomstack. It's around 120 bucks. The packing that went with the actual rotary attachment, there are certain things you can do with other machines that you can't do with a Glowforge or an Epilogue or stuff like that, but these machines are coming with rotary attachments or you can upgrade to it. The next thing is the construction. Unbelievably high quality anodized aluminum is just very solid. The ease of assembly, it took me about a half hour to assemble it. I just went ahead and put some 2 bolts on the side, these M5 bolts, very high quality, and I did that in a star pattern, put the bolts on and then put the gantry on, and then I put the belts on. I said bolts, I meant belts. This belt's already done. Everything moves nice and smooth. It does come with a air assist, which blows off the smoke, which is really important if you don't want to have soot on top of your designs. So if you want to have a really clean design that doesn't have burn marks, that air assist is really important. The next thing is in terms of its affordability. As far as a diode goes, maybe not, because you can buy a diode for 300 bucks, but it's not 33 watt. I mean, this is unbelievably powerful. All right, so it's very Lightburn friendly. You have to go ahead and understand Lightburn a little bit, which is the software, and I have tutorials on that, or there's tons of them on the internet. It has tons of features that I really like it has a little tiny LCD panel that you can run directly with an SD card or Wi-Fi, so that's really cool. That wasn't on my list. As far as the power of the diode goes, whether or not it claims that it can actually cut through 3/4 of an inch material. I believe that you can do that as long as you slow it down. Make sure under the device settings you go ahead and set your S value to 1000. I made that mistake. It was set to 100. Make sure you will not see the power of this machine unless you have your S value set to 1000. That's in the device settings inside of Lightburn. Cable management's not so great. The person that comes up with something that can hold this, like something 3D printed, is going to be a winner, but it's something very simple to fix. The same thing goes with this axis. It just needs better cable management. As far as the features go, most of the features are inside of Lightburn, but if you're talking about accessories, yes, it has a camera. It has this beautiful rotary attachment, so you can do that. I think one of the features or the benefits would be you can actually cut thin grade stainless steel, which is absolutely huge. So I got about a minute left. As far as the web support, there's tons of videos. There's all types of things. Again, one of the things that I do is I help people out that are really trying to take their dusty machine and actually make it a business, and that's usually files or stuff like that. So if you need a file cleaned up and stuff like that, contact me. I can help you out. Or if you want a course on how to do laser cutting for profit, I have that also. The other thing is the noise. This is noisy. This has got a fan. You're gonna want to wear hearing protection because none of this stuff is actually quiet. As far as the reliability, I'm not sure yet. I think it's gonna last. I think it's pretty cool. Is this an industrial level go-to machine? Maybe not. And then the final thing is the company support. I don't have an answer for you on the company support. I think this is an incredible machine. I got it from a reseller, but the truth of the matter is that they have not contacted me, but I've only given them 5 minutes. So stay tuned for that. Take care.